simultaneously, which would be impossible with human control. This opens up the possibility for large-scale urban air mobility networks. Let's consider a few examples. Self-flying taxis are no longer a thing of the future. Companies like Ehang and Volocopter are already testing AI-powered air taxis that can transport passengers across cities. And let's not forget about delivery drones. Companies like Amazon and Wing are using AI to deliver packages quickly and efficiently. AI is set to revolutionize urban air mobility, making our cities smarter and our lives easier. So what does this mean for the future of urban mobility? Well, let's take a step back and pull together all the pieces we've discussed in this video. Our cities are evolving, and with them, our means of transportation are transforming too. The advent of artificial intelligence in urban air mobility promises to revolutionize the very essence of how we commute. Imagine a city where traffic congestion is a thing of the past. A city where the air is clean, where the hum of engines is replaced by the quiet whir of electric propellers. This is not some far-off dream. This is the potential reality that self-flying taxis and delivery drones offer us. AI-driven urban air mobility can reduce our carbon footprint by eliminating the need for fossil fuels, save us precious time by bypassing road traffic, and even open up a whole new dimension of space for us to travel in. Now, this isn't to say that we won't face challenges. The safe integration of self-flying taxis and drones into existing air traffic, the development of infrastructure to support these vehicles, and the establishment of regulations to govern their use are all significant hurdles to overcome. But it's crucial to remember that every great innovation comes with its own set of challenges. These are not insurmountable, but rather stepping stones on the path to a smarter, more efficient future. The sky's the limit when it comes to the potential of AI in urban air mobility. The future of transportation may be closer than we think.